It is a bit cold. Oh man. Let's get this set up. The things I do for these fake internet points. And here we have one work Tundra. Hey, you've seen this thing cold start before, so there. I'm gonna go back here. Man, this is brisk. So Tundra, it's about negative 30 right now. Let's get inside this thing. Even kind of beeps. We got a Tundra 5.7. I think they all have the 5.7 nowadays. Whew, that is a cold seat. Let's see the temperature. It was an... Oh, it's warm. Well, it doesn't sound good. It was negative 30 before. Yeah, Tundra, and she's got almost 60,000 miles on it. It's 2019, so 2 years. Pretty Jeep, you're lucky to start. There's a bird there. This is going to be completely uneventful, but we're still putting the GoPro under the hood. In fact, alright, recording on GoPro. Picking an approximate angle, like right there. Whew. Uh-oh, says my tire pressure's low. That's weird. I'm sure it's fine. Let's see what it says here. So we got 2019 Tundra. And man, this weather sucks. Hey, it's got this, I don't know, everybody says this is behind in technology and stuff, but it's got everything we need here. A normal size screen to play your music on. Okay, it's not the best car radio I've ever heard, obviously, but it's pretty good. No complaints there. And of course, it's got your 2-meter radio. That's important. Like that out. And you don't start it. You just flick the key. Thought I had a Ford for a second there. Well, let's look at our tire pressures here. Oh, it's got a coffee reminder. It monitors your position on the road and lets you know if you need to take a break. Ooh, we got the high idle. Where's the tire? 24. I'm not sure what it's showing me there. And they're all low. I think they're normally about 40. They're just under. What are you telling me? Why do you keep on going back to the car picture? Right. Let's see that. Hold on. There's a thing that says no messages, but it's trying to give me some message. Yeah, it's got lane detection, whatever, pre-collision. It will brake for you, which is sometimes not always great, because if at one time I was going under an underpass on the interstate and there was a semi going above it and the shadow tripped it up and it was sure it needed to stop for me, so it did a full lock-up brake. Man, it is cold. Well, look, I drove here in all this ice, but I don't know if that's catching on the video, but I can hear coolant going through that heater core. Oh, that's good enough. Well, yeah, got all the way here in all this cold Arctic. Check it out. Arctic. Not frozen shut. Oh, no? Come on. In the cold Arctic. Uh-oh, that was probably a bad choice. Oh, good. Let me not touch that again. And we are still in two-wheel drive. And why are we in two-wheel drive? Well, because you don't need four-wheel drive. You guys are a bunch of Dorothys or something. Nancys. You're a bunch of Nancys. You don't need four-wheel drive, even in a Montana winter. And it's actually in this specific truck. In this truck, it has an all-aluminum motor. Let's go look at that motor. Oh, need to bring this inside. Whew. It actually handled this pretty well. Yeah, all-aluminum motor. Ooh, we got that Toyota tick. And I think doesn't sound like a lifter. It sounds like fuel injector ticking on and off. But the motor is too light, and I have got back here the topper, and there's a tray system. I can probably show you the tray system. But unfortunately, we came to Great Falls in the Den of Thieves. Good time for this lock to freeze. The bed system, which is always full of junk. So I don't know what the bed system and topper weighs. Should be pretty light. They're fiberglass. Uh-oh. But it weighs enough that it's all understeer. So if you plan on any type turning on four-wheel drive, you got another thing coming. LED headlights, they're automatic, don't need to do a thing. They make everything white, so you can't tell when there's actual ice on the road or if it's just bright lights.